Kira, have you got the hiccups, lovey? Have you got the hiccups? You had a nice big feed, didn't you? You had a nice big feed. Kira's little hiccups.